Brother Henry Tanjung from Badan Wakaf Indonesia or Indonesian Wakaf Institution. Your time is yours, brother. Yes, sure.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In this seminar, I will discuss about the investment opportunities in commercial wakaf assets in Indonesia. I am Henry Tanjung, a member of Indonesian Wakaf Board. New era or awakening wakaf movement in Indonesia is very interesting. Next slide. When you see the wakif who donor the wakaf property, the growth of collective awareness across social structures for wakaf, the growth of an educated or young generation that becomes the driving force for wakaf. So this is the millennial generation. They pay wakaf for 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, etc. And the second one, wakaf asset, the diversity of wakaf asset, which was originally only in the form of land, especially mosque, musalla, madrasah, and graveyard, has now become cash wakaf. So this is, I think, the big innovation in this era. Our ulama has ijtihad about the cash wakaf. With this ijtihad, so many innovation in the wakaf property. Now we just launched from Indonesia government, Ministry of Finance, cash wakaf lin sukuk with Badan Wakaf Indonesia or Indonesian Wakaf Board. Also, there is a stock wakaf in the term of shares. Insurance benefit. Now many insurance companies sell about the product containing wakaf inside it, and intellectual property rights and others, making it more flexible in its management. And also in akad or contract, digital ecosystem makes transactions very easy, transparent, and accountability is maintained. With your handphone, you can do everything, and including wakaf. Next slide. Nazir, awareness of the importance of professionalism, competence, value creation, and good wakaf governance in managing wakaf assets to build public trust has spawned the Nazir certification program. So we have held the 6th batch of the certification of Nazir professional, and now the number of Nazir professional who have been competent around 150 persons or people. Utilizing technology or technology savvy digital information in managing wakaf assets so that it is easier, more efficient, and productive, realizing the importance of building a national wakaf ecosystem and availability of various cash wakaf management instrument. In the term of Maquf Alai, Badan Wakaf Indonesia with the Inter-University Center, we call it Pusat Antar Universitas. So many universities who has interesting in wakaf research, we gather in one Inter-University Center, has published the National Wakaf Index. This is a measurement or a benchmark for national wakaf performance. The synergy between Islamic social finance and Islamic commercial finance is getting stronger in the form of financial instruments and wakaf project pilots. Next slide. Huge wakaf potential in Indonesia. Okay, when you see the figures, for example, Indonesia, the 5th largest economy in the world by 2030, the country with the largest number of Muslims in the world, just Ministry of Finance mentioned, 60 million middle class population, 30 million consuming class by 2030, and productive ages in Indonesia will reach 190 million. In cash wakaf Indonesia is still not optimal, but with promising growth. For example, cash wakaf collection period 2011 until 2018 only 255 billion in rupiah. But in the last 3 years, it is triple, more than triple, reach 855 billion. So experience a growth of 235% in the period. Next slide. Wakaf in the form of land is still dominant, and its use is remaining on social assets. There is an investment gap to generate commercially benefits. So, like yesterday, we discussed with the brother Ali Chati and the room inside this one. So many Nazir gather in that one and searching for the kind of investment or financing. So when you see the number, accumulated wakaf land is very huge. January 2021, 392,000, and October 21, 429. The uses of land, most of them in the form of mosque and musalla, masjid and musalla. Very few of the productive. And the growth, for example, 6.8% per annum. This is very promising in terms of wakaf for the next 10 years. But unfortunately, the certified land only half, around 58%. Next slide. So, efforts to build a national wakaf ecosystem, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one, build public trust by what? We establish e-reporting system for wakaf ecosystem. Information system and the base of wakaf assets, monitoring and optimization of benefit distribution. Just this morning, Dr. Siregar, this morning in Bandung, we gather around 100 Nazir in the West Java. We train them to use e-reporting system for the Nazir. And build capacity and Nazir's professionalism, Nazir certification and upgrading program, 150 has been certified, and Wakaf Core Principles implementation still going on. Improving public literacy and education about Wakaf, public education and socialization, harmonization of institution and legal aspect of Wakaf, strengthening BWI institutional status, and amendment of regulations, coordination, and cooperation between institutions. So the law or the act that has been made by Dr. Siregar and friends now has been amended. And
two more minutes, brother.
Yes. And convenience, practically, and innovation of Wakaf products, utilization of technology and innovation of Wakaf products and services, creation of Wakaf digital ecosystem. Next slide. This is the last slide. So, national Wakaf transformation and innovation. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For Wakaf asset, from masjid, madrasah, and graveyard, change. There is innovation to cash Wakaf, corporate Wakaf, insurance benefit, etc. In Wakif, from personal and tradition to family or household, community, institutions, and lifestyle. Socialization from traditional group, conservative and informal, now becoming formal curriculum, academic seminar, local and international, and inter-university center. Nadir, from individual, hereditary, traditional institution, social environment, now becoming professional Nazir with certified from Badan Nasional Sertifikasi Profesi, BNSP of Indonesia. Certified and ecosystem, manual transaction, unconnected legal barriers to digital platform Wakaf, e-reporting and e-services, legal harmonization, synergy between institutions. I think that's all my presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much, Dr. Henry Tanjung. I think it is clear that the huge wakaf potential in Indonesia is very huge, but the development of cash wakaf in Indonesia is still not optimal, but with promising growth. Efforts to build the national wakaf ecosystem is one of them. Use reporting system and also Nazir certification. It seems that the trust is